Today's menu, chicken and rice or arroz con pollo. Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Well, as I just said, this arroz con pollo is for us Venezuelan in our blood. Belongs to us. Every week we prepare this almost, yeah. These are what are the ingredients I'm using this time. I'm using what I have. You may adapt it to what you have at home or maybe you can buy. I had some chicken thighs here and I marinated with some Worcestershire sauce, garlic, salt and pepper. And now I'm just gonna saute them a little bit with a hot oil. I just want to sear them, as you may see. I want to pre-cook them and also leave this bottom on the pot for the flavor, which I'm gonna deglaze later on with a little bit of all my veggies and more oil. Yeah. Now, after you sear it, you get the first pre-cook. Then you remove them from the pot and just put them aside. As you see, it's just not burning, not overheating it. It's very important to work in an adequate temperature because we don't want to burn the meat nor the oil. So that's the idea of working with a low medium temperature. Yeah. Now we're gonna saute our onion, the garlic, and the white part of our spring onion. I separate always the spring onion between the white part and the green part. The green part I use it at the end. I don't cook it. Yeah, usually we do it everything and then we burn it. It's very easy to burn. That's why we have to separate it. Just a suggestion. Yeah. Just saute it. Just work in the same temperature with the chicken. Slow. It's better slow than too fast and burn it. After that, I'm gonna add some red bell pepper, which I have here cut, as you may see. Yeah, and I got some something my leftover here. I got some roasted onions, which I'm adding it to the pot. It was just a leftover from the hot dogs I prepare. I have a little bit that's what I'm using, and I saw this idea of roasting onions on this. This is called sofritos. I saw it in the Thai kitchen. A friend of mine was preparing it. So it's time for our spices. Yeah, very important with the spices, of course, not overheated. If you burn it, you ruin your dish. It's very important. I'm gonna list down here in the description all the spices I use, but I use some paprika, I use some turmeric, salt, pepper, a little bit of chili flakes. I will list it. I need to think now. After that, I got also one carrot which I cut in a small dices. Yeah, and this will be my sofrito. Yeah. This, as you may see, is just quite easy, just working low temperature. You see, we're not overheating and we are removing with all the humidity we have here with the oil and with the veggies. We remove all the bottom that left the chicken. Yeah. Now I'm working with a 1 cup of I'm using here basmati rice. You can use parboil or actually mostly any rice you may have at home, the regular ones. After you stir fry a little bit, if you stir fry your rice, you don't have to wash it. If you don't fry it, then you have to wash it. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, like it will be loose. Yeah. Now we incorporate back our chicken and we mix it all together. Yeah, just important. Yeah, just like we wanna mix that the rice get all the veggies and the chicken as well. They are not in the same place. This is the main idea. Now I got some corn and I got some edamame because I didn't find the green beans. That's why I had this can at home and I use it. That's what only the reason. I got some chicken broth down here. I got 1 cup of rice. I'm adding here 2 cups of my broth, chicken broth I prepare myself as well, and just This time I will mix everything. My chicken broth had salt as well, so you have to be careful. If you have salt, don't add salt at the beginning, yeah? Now it's time to move everything, that get everything settled, that everything get properly mixed. And we'll leaving it there cooking for around 12 to 13 minutes with no lid in a low medium temperature, yeah? It's I know how to cook in my kitchen. Maybe you have to do it at the fast in your kitchen and just adapt the temperature, yeah? It's like you cook rice every time, yeah? After 13 minutes, look, water have been reduced a little bit, yeah? Now I'm using a serviette and I put a lid on, and now I'm leaving it steaming in a very low temperature. I will leave it steaming for around 15 minutes and then around 5 to 10 minutes resting it. After the time's gone, voila, we got our arroz con pollo or chicken and rice, yeah? And you see, it's just loose. We're gonna add now our spring onion. You see, I turn off the heat. Our spring onion just to add a little bit of color to our pot, yeah? You see, and now you will see that the rice is completely loose, yeah? It's not sticky on the bottom. It's just very, very nice. So if you like the video, hit the thumb up button, subscribe to the channel, of course share it. I would appreciate if you cook this and just tag me, and I hope you like it. Look, now it's time to serve it. Very loose, very tasty, full of flavor, and most important, very easy to prepare. So thank you very much. See you in the next video and enjoy the journey. Ciao, ciao.